hello. To all the precious people all over the world, welcome back to our channel, Precious Cats of Mama Kiss. This is Kisses, our most lucky girl, our most lucky for baby girl, who gave us female ginger cats and a male calico cat. What's this? Is this a mine?
Right na.
Good. Take this one. Take off your old collar. See how worn out is this? Wipey, so that Kisses will be fresh and clean. It's ear cleaning time of Kisses. Your ears are itchy as well. We'll cut off the force on your ear, so that will not get itchy. See, she has a scar here. It means that she's been scratching. We need to heal that. Now we're going to cut off some of her furs on the ear to prevent, because this long one here will bounce over here and they will feel itchy. And then we are going to put some medicine, spray some medicine on the scar, on the wound. What? Baby. No. See? Ay, ginawa ko. Ang mga ignore yun eh. Then we change her color. No more to be afraid. You face the camera.
Kisses! Oh!
You haven't brushed your hair yet. Your fur.
Kisses!
Now it's time to brush her fur. Kisses. Later na. This. This is Strike, our big boy. I'm going to cut off. See, it's worn out and dirty and full of fur. It's punch time. Now it's ear cleaning time. This is the white cat who doesn't have so much dirty on his ear, not like his uncle. Uncle healthy. It's brush time. After wiping with a wet cloth on his whole body, it's brush time. The other side. The tummy, she doesn't want to show his tummy. He's not comfortable with that. Just like his uncle. Hey, big boy. See your tail? Murmuring again. And now it's new color time. It's very visible on you, Shine. White over blue and red. The uncle of Strike, catcher of dirt. You see his color. You see his ear. He is the valedictorian of that one. And see his nose. I don't know. We don't know why that happens. See? Why is your nose like that?
Pilit. Ay, kugaw ba?
Asam din na ni mo inus-nusil kay? Di ni man anang ubang puti nga iring. Ikaw raman. Hindi mo siya mo reklamo. Nus-nus sa bayo. Ngarite. It's sponge time. What?
Sukar pala na siya.
Siguran mo ilabta niya. Wala mo sa kuy makita din nga kuha niya. Ano pa na siya?
Sakitan siya.
Ano man na iti? Kuya wanta na hilkida. Tummy. Very. Now, it's ear cleaning time.
Airwax.
Brush time after ear cleaning time. See? No more line in the nose. A much more handsome Eti. A much more handsome Eti. Hi. And then a new color. Green one. White ones are so nice to look at, attractive with dark colored colors. Minutes mo.
7:58.
That ends for this video with Healthy saying thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing our channel, Precious Cats of Mama Kiss, adding up to our 2,053 subscribers as of April 10, 2025. And this is Healthy saying thank you. Ding ding.